Hello, in this video I will demonstrate to you how to use the Rehearse Coach option. This feature allows students to follow their presentations with simultaneous feedback. To start, on the Slideshow tab, select Rehearse with Coach. Click on the Start Rehearsing button at the lower right when you are ready to begin rehearsing. As you speak, Coach gives on-screen guidance about pacing, inclusive language, use of profanity, filler words, and whether you are reading the slide text. When you exit the presentation, Coach opens a rehearsal report that summarizes what is observed and offers recommendations.